modern KNA.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cossack County in western Oklahoma, central Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Putnam, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Taloga, Sealing, Putnam, northwestern Canton Lake, and Hugmack. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.